Hi. So I want to show you how to use VoiceThread. I am in Canvas in Student View, and I am looking in the modules. I'm going to get to the module that says how to use VoiceThread. You will click on this assignment and you will see there's information on how to use VoiceThread, and at the bottom, there's a load how to use VoiceThread in a new window. After you read the information, you will want to make sure to click on that tab. You do not need to download VoiceThread onto your computer. Uh, VoiceThread works best on a computer versus a smartphone. If you insist on using your smartphone, you will need to get the app on your phone. But I'm going to talk specifically about using VoiceThread on your computer. So once you click on the tab, you will see a picture. Here you can press play. And you can, if it's a video, you will watch the video. This particular VoiceThread, I want you to become familiar with how to work with VoiceThread. So after you watch my video, I want you to do a couple of things. One is if you click on these double boxes here, then click on the plus sign, you can choose whether you're going to give an audio comment, you're going to upload a video, or you're going to record a video. I'm going to try to do a video, but it's going to get a little wonky because I'm using the video already to make this tutorial. So if I click on that, you'll see the number countdown, and then it gives me a chance to record. And so you can see me talking. I'm going to press stop record because I'm done talking now. And then you'll see it'll take a minute or two for the upload to start. And so I'm going to press save. So now that slide has been made. You have a chance to make another slide. If you wanted to say upload a file, then that will take you to your desktop. And if I wanted to add a picture because that was part of the assignment, you'll see that the picture upload will happen. Here it's almost uploaded. I think I grabbed a picture of a llama that I saw on a road trip. And then once that picture comes up, you will want to give information about it. So I will click on this image, and you see the plus sign that shows up here? Here, I can click on that and I have a chance. I can either type something, I could phone something in. I don't recommend that one. I can use the audio from my computer, or I can even make a video talking about the llama that I saw. Actually, it's an alpaca. Or I could even upload another image to react to that image. So here I'll do a simple typing. Here is an animal I saw on my road trip. And then I'll click save. Okay, so now when I go back to the slides, here's the first slide. Here's me adding a video slide, and then this third slide, when you get to it, you will see a picture of me on the left and information. In this little comment, you can actually comment to that comment. So if you want to respond to my comment about this alpaca, then you can respond. And you see how this circle connects here? That's how we know this is a threaded conversation, that it started here and then we go here next. So I'm going to respond by saying, hey, I saw that alpaca too when I was driving to Canada. And I might even want to draw and say, gosh, do you see this part here? I know my socks were made from this wool, alpaca wool, and they are so cozy. And now I've saved that information. All right. So hopefully you have gotten enough from this tutorial that you feel comfortable playing, clicking on the plus sign to respond to people's slides, adding a slide of your own by clicking on these double X's. Here, actually, I'll show you this is to zoom in on the image. If you want to zoom in, if you need closed captioning, you can click on CC and see the closed captioning. I will make another tutorial showing you how to edit your recording and make sure that the closed captioning is accurate.